Your hands? It's probably your wrist.
They're on their way.
Okay.
They're on their way.
Do you know what unit he is? Well, look at the motorcycle number. His helmet says 668.
Okay, can you go straight back? Okay, I'm right there if you lay down. Right there if you lay down. You lay down.
Don't.
Left side. Okay. Alright.
Okay. Just start from the bottom, okay? You're hurting your legs. Okay.
It just looks like the last.
Do you want to lay down or something?
He doesn't.
No.
How about your breathing? Huh?
How's his breathing?
Okay, okay.
5-3 lead.
I'd really like to have you lay down. Okay.
This off.
Can you start unbuttoning his
How
buttons?
do we get your belt off?
5-3, go ahead.
Unbutton his buttons.
I verified a warrant for Christopher Zedecar, I guess, through Delaware. With it being rush hour, I prefer to drop off the county now. I was wondering if there's any way you can call back and maybe arrange that.
Deep breath.
Stand by, I can give you the phone number and you can call them, sir.
Take your breath.
Okay, I got it. I didn't know if they had to go through leads or anything. I'll give them a call. I appreciate it. It'd take me an hour and a half just to get there.
Copy, I understand.
Okay, take breath. Can we lay you down yet? No. Do you have any chest pain? Okay. How would it feel like? Does your neck hurt?
Here comes the squad. I was with them. We're good.
Chris's keys.
Where's his gun belt?
His gun belt is on him.
Don't touch his gun.
There you go.
You want me to take your gun? All right, good enough. Let me leave for you. All right, okay. All right. Here's his keys.
You feel weak? Okay, you want to lay down? Where the hell's the squad?
And his gun belt's.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, buddy, I got a medic coming, all right? K-9 5.
K-9-5.
You got the city en route also?
Hey, firm.
All right, the medic's almost here.
Copy.
I was right behind you. What happened?
K9, I got like 3-4 city cars and most of the traffic. We're making our way to you, sir.
I see you
Okay.
every day,
Which unit are you, buddy?
668.
Can I slow the cars down coming from the sub?
Yeah, you can slow them down. It's going to be motorcycle unit 668 and Columbus Fire medic 26 and the engine 26 is on the scene. All right.
Alright, copy. Best 4 is en route for you. Radio, slow down the cars coming from a distance.
I'll get you on a gurney here.
Very good, copy.
You want his side.
I'll get all that stuff here in a
He
minute.
did not want to lay down.
Yeah,
He was on all fours and
okay.
Hello, the K9. Is this out of the code 4? Do I need to be looking for somebody coming westbound?
It's going to be CPD unit 66, motorcycle unit 668. The medics
660 to
getting him loaded
668.
up.
Are you back here? Yeah, I'm going to get past Jimmy to the west and try to shut down 70 traffic, at least one lane.
All right.
660 to 668 on Luther. From out, Lake Dover, 170 now. Let me know.
away, and I'm here